Porywy dookoła setki max, ale jest...
Severe weather swept across parts of Poland as powerful storms brought damaging winds, intense rainfall, hail, and dangerous atmospheric conditions. Reports from Świecie in the Kujawsko-Pomorski region described extreme winds and a storm-like atmosphere, with locals comparing the event to a biały szkwał, a sudden and intense weather phenomenon. A strong supercell storm was also reported near Wschowa, producing destructive winds and hail as it moved through the area. Similar storm impacts were observed in Strzelce Krajeńskie, where powerful straight-line winds caused concerns over fallen trees, property damage, and local disruption. Other regions experienced severe downpours and thunderstorms, including Lublin, Kraków, Wadowice, Podkarpacie, and surrounding areas. Heavy rain caused dangerous conditions, while hail was reported in Nowa Huta, Kraków. Near Jawor and Legnica, storm formations brought strong winds, reaching around 100 kilometers per hour. These extreme weather events highlight the unpredictable power of nature as Poland faced a wave of intense storms, flooding risks, and hazardous conditions across multiple regions.